Hey everyone. So a lot of you have ordered the Stone Coat art resin, the art coat from Stone Coat Countertops. So I thought I would just do a quick flood coat on a painting, and if I have enough left I'll do some tiles. This is equal parts mix, so I did 1 cup of each to do what I have to finish up here. So I've already got it pretty well mixed. I bought these silicone spatulas at Family Dollar, I think it was, and they work great for mixing resin because you can really scrape your sides, so when you pull that dried out resin out of your measuring cups, you don't have that residual resin stuck to the side. So they work really well. So this is the painting that I'm going to flood coat today. And we have 45 minutes to an hour work time, so we have plenty, but you don't want to leave a lot left in your pot because it will heat up on you. So I'm going to do as many as I can with what I mixed up, and you guys can just watch and see how it's used. So I like putting it on with my hand, that way I'm making sure I get all my surface covered. But you could use those plastic trowels that they have if you want to do it a thinner coat. I like a thick coat on the first one. So I'm just getting my sides. And then I'll give it a once over again with my hand, just to make sure everything's covered. And I wipe my hand just a little bit, set that aside. And I'm going to use a heat gun, and this way you can see how it's done. So if you cleaned your painting really well, you shouldn't get any spots from the silicone resisting. And then I go the other way, just to make sure I'm getting most of the air bubbles out, and it warms up the resin and levels it out. Okay. So now I just do it once over to see if I have any fuzzies, and I see one. It's probably one of my little bang hairs because I didn't put a net on. But that looks pretty good. And this is just the first coat. I always put 2 coats on. Okay. So I'm going to move this one, and I'll get another one. So this is a video that I did, I believe it was a Monday Night Live that I did this one, but it's all metallics. but it brings them back to life. They look like they did when they were wet. So as you can see, it's very easy to use. It's messy, it's sticky, but painting is messy too. I just like to rub that in really well. I think we're all covered. And the red heat gun that I'm using is available in my Amazon shop if you're looking to get one. And these tweezers are also available. There's a set of, I think, 10. And those are in my Amazon shop as well. So if you haven't got your stone coat yet, the code below, CWA all in caps, will get you $30 off an $80 order. Add a couple of metallics to the cart with your half-gallon kit, and you'll be getting those for free. Okay. Got a little stubborn spot here. That one looks good. So I think I have enough left to do this one as well. So I'm going to go ahead and glove up again. I try to do as many as I can. So I'm double gloved there. So it would be about 3 ounces of resin per square foot. So I used about 7 on this one because, like I said, I like it a little thicker. Actually, it was probably less than that. I mixed up 2 cups and got 3 paintings, first coats. So your second coat you won't need to put on as much because it'll flow better. You won't have any dipping or anything, and that's the one thing with canvas, it likes to dip from the weight of the resin, so you almost always need 2 coats. Okay. Heat this one up. This one looks really good. One piece. And remember, resin is self-leveling, so if you leave a little mark, it'll fill itself back in. Let's see, they look like glass. So if you haven't ordered it yet, go ahead and get it. Use that code. You can come back to this video. It's equal parts on mixing. I mixed it for about 2.5 minutes. And you can tell when it's ready. It gets really clear. You don't see the strands from the resin in there. So if you haven't subscribed yet, click below. Click on the little bell and you'll get a notification when I upload my next video. Click like and share and leave a comment. Join us on Facebook, shop with us on Etsy and Amazon and Redbubble. We have fan mail now. Our post office box address is below in the description. And if you have any questions, you can always reach me through Facebook or my email at ChristinaWelchArt@yahoo.com. Thanks so much for watching, guys. And like I said, if you have questions, just holler. We're here to help. Bye now.